Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a story named Children at Work from Supplementary Test Book. It's so happened from class 8th English. So let's we continue our story, that is Children at Work from your supplementary test book. It so happened. There are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family make a livelihood. Others run away from unhappy homes and need to support themselves. Children who have to work, like Velu and Jaya, can't go to school and play like other children. The chapter deals with the story of one such boy named Velu. Velu lived in a small village of Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu with his drunkard father. His father used to mistreat him regularly. He was fed up with all this, and one day he decided to run away from his village. Here is a picture of Velu. He's from a small village and has never been on a train before. He has never seen so many people together and is a little afraid of being at the station. Velu had run away from his village because he was fed up of his father's beating. His father was a drunkard who would take away all the earnings of his children. Here we move to the introduction section. Millions of children in our country have to work. They are too poor to go to school or play. They have to earn something to help their families. But there are some children who run away from their unhappy homes. They face great difficulties. Most often, they fall in wrong hands. Velu is an 11-year-old boy. He runs away from home because his father beats him. He goes to Chennai. He is alone and miserable. A girl almost his age named Jaya helps him. She is a rag picker. She finds food for him and offers him work to do. Many more of the examples we have to see in our local area too. Few of the children are moving here and there while picking up the rags from outside of our house and in our locality. Might be they are also having problem they are facing still, that's why they are trying to earn money for their livelihood. Here is your story. Children, might be this picture is not clear to you, so you all keep your test book with you. It's very, very necessary to read aloud the story and do practice. Here I am going to give you the summary of the story step by step. While seeing this story, passage number 1, children at work is a sensible story by Geeta Wolf, which focuses on the living of slum children. This story teaches us to be empathetic with these children and help whatever we can. This story involves a boy named Value. He was a small boy of 11 years. His father was a drunkard. His father used to beat him, and his sister and used to snatch every money that they earned. Veli was fed up with the day-to-day abuses and decided to run away from house. He walked all day in Kannur, a district in Tamil Nadu, and later on boarded Kanyakumari Express. Kanyakumari Express brought him to Chennai Central Station. See, soul of the story, Value runs away from home at the Chennai station and meeting Jaya. Chennai Central Station is a huge station. Value saw people in a rush with their suitcases. A loudspeaker was shouting with announcements. Some people were watching a big TV screen. Some were sitting on the platform. Value was feeling very weak and his legs were shaking. He had come to Chennai in an unreserved compartment, sitting near the gate. A group of people played playing cards and shouted throughout the night. Value felt miserable in a new place and sat on a bench. He met with a rag picker, small girl named Jaya. She told she could arrange for his food. Value had no option other than to follow her. Value went behind her. She took him to busy roads with huge traffic and dust. Value was frightened by the traffic. A central jail came near him. Jaya warned him of police, as police do not like rag pickers. Finally, they reached a marriage hall. There was a big garbage pile. Jaya got two of the bananas and a vada. Vada pav. Hope you all liked. She gave a banana and the vada to Value. Value was reluctant to eat leftover food thrown in the bin. But he was hungry and there was no other option. Here we can see Value decides to go with her. Jaya helps Value to find food. See, they are moving together. They ate together. Now Jaya took him to own home. It has a slum house made of broken steel sheet and other useless materials like an old tire, plastic sheet and bricks. Jaya gave him a big shack and asked him to help her. Value was curious about why Jaya collect useless materials. Jaya explained. She sells it to a scrapper. Scrapper sends it to factories where their plastics and papers are recycled into a new one. Value was not happy with the job. He decided if he gets another job, he will leave his dirty job. See, Jaya goes home, strange hurts. Jaya leaves for work. Finally, they decided, or Value decided to leave this dirty job. We move to the moral of the story. No, children should work. Children who work have more money and enjoy greater freedom. So, children, hope you understand this story. This is a story basically based on a 11-year child that's named was Value. How he faced the problems from his family, his parents, how he moved on, what type of job just he accepted for earning money. It's biggest example of child labor. Sometimes our situation or conditions are not allowing us to do such type of jobs, but still the family issues are just forcing up to continue. So just you all go through the story properly, read aloud. Textual exercise will continue in our next session, that is section number 2. Thank you.